Hey Artland, how's it going? So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the character Mochi from the show Monster Rancher. Now, Monster Rancher was a show that was coming out when, Pokemon and Digimon and Yu-Gi-Oh! Were all getting really popular. And it was kind of along the same premise. You kind of went around, collected different monsters and stuff, they would battle, and it was a pretty cool show, but it didn't last very long. But so Mochi was kind of like the cute little character in it. And it's almost kind of like a little bird, platypus, armadillo type character. So to start off with Mochi, we're going to begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and that's just going to kind of curve back down like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then comes up for a smile. And then a little line that just kind of curves up and down like this for the tongue. Now, Mochi has kind of like a beak shape. So I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. It's just going to kind of follow the same shape. And then right here, we're just going to kind of go down and then just kind of connect it for the beak. Now, next I'm going to make a little circle for an eye here, and then another little circle over here for an eye. Then I'm going to add a little circle in here, and I'm just going to color in most of this. Same thing here, a little circle, and then just kind of color in most of this. Now, starting here, I'm going to just make a line that's just going to curve down here, and then it's just going to kind of curve up like this. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to kind of curve up and then come down like this. Then I'm going to make a little curved line like that. And then I'm going to add two more little lines in here. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a little line down, and then another little line down here. Then, starting here, I'm just going to add a little line over. And then I'm just going to make a little curled line here for the hand and arm. And then starting here, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of curl it around and then bring it in like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves down. And then a little line that goes down and over. Little line right here for the leg. And then a little line that's going to curve up. Little bump for the toe, and then a little line that just kind of goes down and then it's going to curve around. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves to here. And then two more little lines for the other leg. Then just make a little line that kind of curves around and then it's going to come back up to here, kind of like a little oval shape. And then just add two little lines in there. And then a little line right here on the arm. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down and then kind of curves up like this for part of the shell. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mochi from Monster Rancher. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.